Welcome to TechTitans Computer Literacy, your first step into the exciting universe of technology. Whether you're a student, parent, or beginner, this course is designed to help you turn screen time into skill time. In just 10 lessons, you'll gain the confidence to use computers and the internet safely and effectively. You'll learn how to navigate with a mouse and keyboard, organize files like a pro, browse the web smartly and spot fake content, protect yourself online with strong passwords, create powerful presentations in PowerPoint and Google Slides, and collaborate with tools like Gmail, Google Docs, and Drive. These are more than just technical skills, they're life skills. From school projects to personal growth and even preparing for future jobs, the Computer Literacy course equips you with practical knowledge you'll use every day. Join us today and start your journey toward becoming a confident digital citizen. The world is digital, and now you'll be ready to thrive in it.